Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Well, today we got a good one for you. This one we're going to take the new toy. This is the Old Country Smokehouse vertical water smoker. It's a cabinet. We're going to take and we're going to do a brisket flat. Now, this is about almost 7 pounds of brisket flat. It is just a grocery store flat. It came from Sam's. So what we're going to do is we're going to season it up. It really doesn't have a whole lot of trimming to do. And we're going to season it up, let it hang out. We'll carry it out. The secret to doing this is going to be slow and low to keep it from drying out. A flat is a lot thinner than a whole brisket. So that's how we're going to do it. Hang around, we'll bring you right back. Hang tight. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is season him up, all right? So you know we're going to use Uncle this on brisket. And I have tried other things, and I got from my family, we want you to go back to the way you were doing it before, and that was with Uncle Steve's thick meat. All right, so let's turn him over. That was fat cap side and the meat side. Thick meat has got a good bit of black pepper in it. You know you gotta have black pepper. All right, here it comes. You know it was gonna. Uncle Steve, South Texas Red. I can't cook without putting a little South Texas Red on, especially beef, because man, this is good stuff. All right, next, we're gonna do an injection on this. As I said, the flat is a good bit thinner, so we wanna do everything we can do to maintain moisture in this. Now, this is something that I like to use. This is Cosmo Q's injection. This is his reserve blend. It is a brisket injection. I enjoy using that. So, if you noticed, I seasoned first. Why is that? Because turning it and carrying on just seems to push all the injection out while you're seasoning. So I go ahead and I get the seasoning done, get it out the way, and then we start. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just do a checkerboard pattern kinda, and we might lose a little, but that's okay. I'm gonna pump him up. All right, there we go. We've got him seasoned. We've got injection in him. Let's let him hang out for a little bit, and we're gonna take him out to the smoker. Okay, well, let's open her up. We got our smoker up to temp. Let's see. There we go. All right. I'm gonna put it on the shelf just like that. I got this little piece here. That was trimming. All right. You see, got it in the smoker. Got my probe in. Now, I don't know, a couple of 3 hours from now, I'll probably add a probe in the meat. Until then, there we go. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it over. We're gonna put it back in the foil pan. We're going to add butter over the top of it, wrap it up tight, and then bring it back into the smoker, put the probe back in it, and let it finish. Okay, well, our thermometer says we have reached our temperature. Let's look in and see. Here's the deal. I want to check for tenderness first, and that's what I'm looking for. The temperature, okay. That works, but I want to see if this is done. And oh yeah, this is like sticking in butter. Okay, so I didn't even check the temperature on that. I just checked how tender it was. So let's take this out and we'll carry it in. We're gonna let it rest, and then we'll slice it up, so we'll bring it back. Okay, well, we've let this rest for about 30 minutes. Let's take this off. Oh my goodness. All right. Let's lay this down. Okay, let's start a few slices of this. See how we did. Okay. Look at this. See that smoke ring? Cut some pieces out of this. Wish you could smell it. There you go. It is juicy, I have to say that. Let's pull it apart. Low and slow. If you're gonna cook a flat, that's the way to cook it. Cook it low and slow. The longer it takes, the more tender it's gonna be, the more juicy it's gonna be. Delicious. Well, thanks for hanging around. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, hit the circle on this side, subscribe, like the video if you did. On this side, we'll have another video for you. Until next time, hang tight.